Chapter 2, Shloka 6 to 10. First Shloka 6. न चैतद्विद्म कतरन्नो गरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामस्तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. So Arjuna goes on to say, Yan eva hatva, killing whom na jijivishamaha, I do not wish to live. So killing whom I do not wish to live, te avastitaah, they are present here, pramukhe, face to face, dhartarashtraah. So killing whom I do not wish to live, they are right here face to face with us, the sons of Dhritarashtra. Na chaitadvitma kataranno gariyo. Chaitad vidmaha, we have to split it as cha etat vidmaha. Kataranno katarat naha gariyah. So it means na vidmaha. We do not know katarat, which one, gariyah, which is better. That we do not know. Yadva jayema. Yatva jayema. We defeating the Kauravas and gaining victory. Is that better? Yediva no jayeyuhu. Or te naha jayeyuhu. Or is it better that they defeat us? So I do not know which is better, says Arjuna. Shloka 7. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavav prichami tvam dharma sammuda chetah yachreyasya nischitam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadimam tvam prapannam. So Arjuna goes on to say, Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavah dharma sammuda chetah tvam prichami. That way we have to interpret. Meaning, Arjuna is saying, Karpanya dosho. Karpanya dosha, having a feeling of faint-heartedness, upahata swabhavah. So I am agreeing that my behavior has been taken over by faint-heartedness. Dharma sammuda chetah. So regarding what is right and what is the duty, I do not know. Dharma sammuda chetah. So aham tvam prichami. So I am asking you, because I am ignorant in these matters, so I am asking you, yachreyasya nischitam bruhi tanme yat shreyah syat nischitam bruhi tat me. That which is better, shreyah, that you tell me. Me bruhi. Shishyasteham shadimam tvam prapannam. Shishyah te aham. I am your shishya, I am your disciple. Shadimam. Instruct me, advise me. Tvam prapannam. I have taken refuge in you, says Arjuna. Shloka 8. Nahi prapashyami mamapanudyad yacchokamuccho shanamindriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatna mriddham rajyam suranam apichadipatyam. So Arjuna goes on to say, Bhuma vasapatna mriddham, we have to split it as Bhumau asapatnam riddham. Even acquiring, avapya, getting, bhumau, in this earth, riddham, wealth, Rajyam kingdom and Suranam api Adipatyam. Getting lordship over the Devas, even all this would not help me because Yetchokamucho Shanamindriyanam. We have to split it as Yet Shokam Uchoshanam Indriyanam. Indriyanam Uchoshanam is drying up of the senses. Shokam, grief. So, Yet Mama Shokam Indriyanam Uchoshanam Apanudyat. That which is drying up my senses and causing me grief, to drive that away. Apanudyat nahi prapashyami. I do not see a way, says Arjuna. Shloka 9. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktva rishikesham gudakeshaf parantapa na yotsya iti govindam uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Sanjaya says, Gudakeshah, meaning Arjuna, Hrishikesham evam uktva. Arjuna telling Krishna in this manner, Na yotsya iti govindam uktva. Telling Govinda, telling Krishna, Na yotsya, I will not fight. Saying that, Tushnim babuva, he remains silent. So telling that he will not fight to Krishna, he remains silent. Shloka 10. Tamu vacha Hrishikeshaf prahassanniva bharata senayor rubhayor madhye vishidantamidam vachah. Senayor Ubayor Madhye, in the middle of both the armies, Hrishikeshah, Lord Krishna, Vishidantam Tam, referring to Arjuna. So Lord Krishna tells the grieving Arjuna, Prahassanniva, as if with a smile. Idam vachah. He says these words. So, the detailed response of Lord Krishna we will see in the next section.